Now I would like to call Gayatri Chauhan ma'am. For English speech, now I would like to call Rainbow Dikshika from Hindi speech.
मैं रेनबो दीक्षिका कक्षा चौथी ब की छात्रा आज आपके सामने हिंदी में भाषण प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ। इस दुनिया में अरबों लोग हैं और सभी सफलता प्राप्त करना चाहते हैं। बहुत से लोग ऐसे हैं जो सफलता के लिए शुरुआत ही नहीं करते, लेकिन करोड़ों लोग ऐसे हैं जो सफलता को प्राप्त करने के लिए शुरुआत तो कर देते हैं, लेकिन सफलता के रास्ते में केवल दो कदम रखते ही जब एक छोटी सी समस्या सामने आ जाती है तो और अपना सीना तान लेती है तो कुछ लोग डर जाते हैं। हमें समस्याओं का डर कर सामना करना चाहिए, ना कि उनसे भागना चाहिए। ये समस्या ही हमें एक सफल व्यक्ति बनाती है। धन्यवाद।
Sir, director, sir, teachers and all my friends. I, Rainbow Suryavan, today I am presenting English speech. Participation is more important than just winning. If you will keep on participating in different events, then surely one day you will get the result of your hard work. It does not matter then you win or lose. All that matters is the courage to participate. You should be ready to face all kinds of challenges which come in your way. Participation provides us a platform to challenge ourselves. We learn new things and develop various skills after talking up the challenge. So whatever be the result, just focus on what you have earned and how to keep on improving. Thank you.
The topic is participation is better than winning. Now, request together to for the sir to pray prayer.
सुविचार प्रस्तुत करना चाहूँगा। किसी को हराना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन किसी को जिताना बहुत कठिन। मैं अपना सुविचार पुनः दोहराना चाहूँगा। किसी को हराना बहुत आसान है, लेकिन किसी को जिताना बहुत कठिन। धन्यवाद।
Principal sir, director sir, my teachers and all my brother and sister. I am Rambo Dhwani. Today I am here to presenting an English thought. If you do not see yourself as a winner, then you cannot perform as winner. I repeat my thought. If you do not see yourself as a winner, then you cannot perform as winner. Thank you.
Rainbow Janet for English thought.
Is better than winning. Participation is better than winning. Speak. Isn't it? Who will explain me the thought exactly? What is the topic of the day today? Participation is better than winning. Anybody can explain me the topic of this today's class 4th week? Means यहाँ खाली बैठे रहने से अच्छा है कि हम आए, पार्टिसिपेट करें, भले हम हार जाए, लेकिन we should always participate. How many students have heard about the Paralympian Deepa Malik? Have you heard about Deepa Malik? Class students 4th might be heard because they have a lesson over there. Deepa Malik, the Paralympian. Anybody have heard about Paralympian Deepa Malik? Nobody? Today you go and search who is Deepa Malik. Deepa Malik is she was having diagnosed by spinal tumor at the age of 36. And 183 surgeries has gone there. In her body there are more than 90 stitches are there. But then too, she started her career at the age of 36. She sits on the wheelchair. And what and all she can do, you know? She's a motorbiker, she's a swimmer, she's a rallyist, she's a social worker, she's an entrepreneur. इतना सारा काम करती है वो, पैरालाइज्ड है, अपाहिज है, उसकी जो लोअर बॉडी है वर्क नहीं करती है, बट स्टिल वो इतनी सारी एक्टिविटीज में पार्टिसिपेट करती है. एंड शी स्टार्टेड एट द एज ऑफ 36 की उम्र में वो स्टार्ट कर सकती है अपना करियर. तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू आर इन स्कूल, always keep in mind that we should participate. जैसे अभी साइंस का एग्जीबिशन है, how many students are excited? Tell me, how many students?
Rainbow Dhuvika, and I am the CR of class 6th.
My name is Sunesh Thawani of class 6th. I am CR of class 6th.
And everything is well, but sir, in computers period, we don't know our class have very much shouted till the sir comes. Very much shouted. Otherwise, all is well, sir.
Rest everything is good?
Yes.
All subjects and all periods on well?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
But sir, some students were not talking in English.
For that, director sir will take discipline class. Okay, next. Welcome.
Sir, my name is Prince. On behalf of class 6B, I am the first CR of class 6B. All is well in study and discipline. Students were shouting, but after the last
announcement of sir, you all were silent and discipline is good. All is well.
Whenever I give therapy, it is always for the naughty students. So you don't have to be afraid. You are my representative. So you represent honestly, true, fair, square and honest reporting. कोई बच्चा बदमाशी कर रहा है तो नाम बताना है, कोई बहुत अच्छा है और बाय द वे गलती से उस दिन उसने कोई न्यूसेंस कर दिया, वो कहते हैं ना एवरी सिनर हैज सेंटली मोमेंट्स एंड एवरी सेंट हैज सिनर्स मोमेंट्स. तो कई बार बहुत इंटेलिजेंट बच्चे भी बेवजह ही कैच हो जाते हैं, तो उसको इग्नोर करना, उसको है ना, उसका डेली रिकॉर्ड देखना, ना कि एक दिन का. हाँ या
Good morning, sir.
Yeah.
Myself, Khushbu Soni from the behalf of Class 6B. I am the first year of the Class 6B. In our class, there was in a girls' problem, there was not girls'
Loudly.
problem. But there were the two girls, Siddhi and Ruchita, they were talking every period and without the taking permission of any teacher, they are standing up to their place.
Okay. We'll screw, send them to directors. Fine. Thank you. Next. Come forward.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Srishti from class 7th A.
And I am Rang from class 7th A. We are the first year of class 7th A. Everything is well and good, but some students in GK period and computer period.
They are making nuisance.
Yes. And then after
Means
bell,
just 1-2 students discipline matter. Okay.
means after bell, everyone starts shouting and talking.
Acha, between one period ending and second period beginning.
Yes.
This happens more before lunchtime or after lunchtime.
Every time.
After lunchtime.
Means every period when it.
Every period.
So it's a matter of like class control and discipline.
Yes.
So why don't you write the names on the board? You write
Yes, sir.
the
Yes,
names.
sir,
So the
we
next
write
teacher,
the-
I will instruct the next sir or ma'am coming in the class. They will see the name and send to me in the office. Simple. Okay. Thank you. Welcome.
Good afternoon, sir. I am Kathy Singh from class 7B. I'm not the first year, I'm the second year because first year I was absent for many days.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Kaval Sharif, and I am first year of class 7B.
Sir, in class 7th B, there are two girls, Deepika Rajpurohit and Rachna Mewada, who argues with teacher, and they don't respect the teachers, and they talk openly.
Means argumentative behavior.
Argument period.
And so through 2-3 students are always
When I
changing.
or director sir come on the round, then indicate. We may forget, but you remind us about those bad students. So they need regular screwing, because now beta we have got only 40 days for the annual exam. I'm not talking about PT2. Yeah. And something? Any subject, any issue?
No, sir.
Okay, God bless. Thank you. Next.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Arshita from class 8A. I am the first year of my class.
My name is Imam Patnaja, first year of class 8.
Sir, all is well in our class, but GK is not started.
It is all, the book is there?
Yes, book is there, but
Texts are
nobody is
there?
teaching. Nobody is teaching.
Okay. Who is the class teacher?
Rinku ma'am.
Okay. You remind Rinko ma'am, she will give you some work. And it is like, auto learning.
Yes,
GK
sir.
is automatic learning.
But exam is there in PT2, that's why.
Okay. Yes.
All is well in our class now.
I will instruct the class teacher today.
Yes.
Fine. Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.
Thanks.
Good afternoon, sir. I am the first year of class 8B. I am Niharika Sharma.
Good afternoon, sir. I am the first year of class 8B. My name is Rajvi Gill.
All is going well, sir. Everyone is trying to speak in English, but the same issue of GK. No one is teaching GK. That's why.
Who
From
was the
long
last GK
period.
teacher?
Gajendra sir.
Okay, GK and computer.
Like they were 6 days in the week, so they were teaching like 3 days of GK, 3 days of computer. But from the long period, they are not teaching GK.
I will instruct.
Otherwise, all is going well.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Good. Next. All? Forum is over?
Yes.
So overall the situation is quite okay.
Yes.
Only we need some focus on the bad students who are creating some issues in the class, and one GK issue. In general, I will say that, like, you know, देखो मैं पहले से GK की book लेके बैठा हूँ. So everything is written, and you are 6th, 7th, 8th class is quite smart. I am arranging the teachers very quickly within a day or two, but by that time you keep memorizing those one-liners, one-word answers. Fine, beta. Wishing you all the very best. God bless. Thank you.